Hi, Laila gives her voice to you. You are now ready to step in.
We create a universe within which things can happen uniquely to you, depending on what you say, depending on how you move within the space, depending on how you interact with other visitors.
If you should actually rebuild opera, you can't rip it down more than we've done it.